In this video, we are going to see how we can connect our Ubisoft account to the YouTube account. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. All you have to do is just click on the profile icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings at the bottom. Now, once we are in here, we click on the connected apps on the left. And then on the right hand side, we have all the popular applications that we can connect your Google account or YouTube account to. If we scroll down a little bit, you will see your Ubisoft account. Just click on connect again, and click on continue. This will take you to the login screen and it will show the option just to enter or create an account on Ubisoft. If you already have this, you just enter the credentials, login, and it will be connected right away. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.